pandemic has caused many of us to think about our own mortality. More people are buying life insurance policies, and Black Americans have bought more than any other group. That's according to a survey by an industry research firm. Here to talk about it is Erwin McGown, a State Farm operator who knows firsthand what it's like when you don't have a policy when you need it most. Good morning, Erwin. Thanks for starting your day with us, and welcome to BNC.
Morning, Sharon.
Yes. No, you're in Houston this morning. Let's start here, because I know it hasn't been easy for you. You were just a kid. Tragedy struck your family. And that experience actually led you to what you're doing today. And a lot of people, unfortunately, can relate to what you went through. Can you tell us about that and how it impacted your career choice?
Yes, you're 9 years old. I remember back in July 1972, when we received the message that our father was killed in an auto accident. From that day forward, I knew that life would be different for my family. My mother being a widow with 8 kids. And the first question I asked my mother, how are we going to make it? I was like, Mom, it's going to be tough. She said, I really don't know, son. That you're the oldest. I'm expecting for you to be the man of the household. And one thing that was puzzling was that we were planning on burying my father, and my mother said that there was no life insurance. And we had to ask the community back in Angie, Louisiana, to help us. And that was tough. We had to deal with trying to bury my father, and now how are we going to make it? And there's a total of 8 people in the household.
Wow. Yeah, well, sorry to hear that you had to go through that. A lot of families have had to go through that. We see fundraisers all the time when it comes to that, so you got to be prepared. But Black people over the past, and I know they bought life insurance because my paternal grandmother, she sold life insurance. My mother-in-law, she was a very successful insurance agent. But especially over the last year with the pandemic, it's made us think about our health a little bit more. Of course, our life expectancy is lower than that of white people. But why do you think more people, more Black people, purchase life insurance over the past year, especially?
I would say the pain, and there's a fear. Well, I serve a community which is called the Fifth Ward community. It's 1 mile east of downtown. It's a predominantly Black and brown community, so we're living check to check. And when I have a conversation with my clients, when I'm in a community forum, we talk about COVID, how it's changed our life. And that, see, life insurance is a product that people purchase on emotions. So you think about this. You're having to deal with the stress and anxiety of COVID, and it can hit someone, it can hit your family. And you know someone who's been affected by COVID. And so people are calling me and then inquiring about, like, Mr. McGown, can I talk to you a little bit? Because I know someone who died of COVID. So Mike, that is a driving force because it's becoming emotional at this time in my community.
How do you and what do you tell people who come to you for life insurance who may still be skeptical? There's a long history in this country about life insurance, coverage gaps, discrimination in policies, some long-standing companies in this country. What do you tell people?
My first conversation is that I ask them, well, how are you doing? Life insurance is about your family. It's about your loved one. You see, you're going to die. I tell my clients, the average age of an African American, you live to be 75 years old. So what I do know that time will come. You see, Sharon, I tell people, if I'm 59 years old, in 100 years, in 41 years from now, everybody that I know will be dead. So I tell them, what do you want to happen when you die? I really don't want to just dance around, and I don't want to try to filibuster a bill. I just want to go straight to the point. What about your loved one? What is your legacy? What do you want to happen when you die? Talk to me. Then I'm just going to shut up and just listen.
Yeah, but there's the decision-making process. You got all the different varying degrees of what you can buy when you get the life insurance. You got burial insurance. You got life insurance itself. You got whole life. You got term. How do I know which policy is best for me and my family?
Mike, there's always a discussion about buy term, invest the difference, or buy whole life. It doesn't really matter what you have. When you die, the funeral director want to know if there's an active policy. So let's think about that. Is there an active policy? How are we going to cover the expenses? Funeral homes, they don't want to take care of the burial process unless they have a commitment to the policy, to paying for the expenses. So when I talk about how do you know what to buy in my neighborhood, you look at a lot of burial policies because of the death benefit, and sometimes it's the cost and underwriting rules. So if you think about it, you see a lot of burial policies in our neighborhood is because of underwriting rules. They're going to do blood and urine tests, and some of my clients say, you know what, I'm not open to doing a blood and urine test. I just want the cheapest policy for the cheapest price. So that's what I'm facing.
Let's talk about that for a second, because Sharon, we brought this up maybe a couple of weeks ago, and I brought this up during the call when it comes to vaccinated versus unvaccinated, and we know what's going on these days when it comes to COVID-19 insurance. Are insurance rates going up for those who choose not to be vaccinated? Is there going to be a difference in your policy as far as the money you pay, your premiums that you pay a month, for those who are vaccinated against those who are unvaccinated? And can you see that change?
Mike, I have not seen anything about that. I have not read anything about in vaccinated. Now, what I am doing in my community, the Fifth Ward, which is the Black and Brown community, I'm encouraging clients and people I meet in the neighborhood to get vaccinated. I have not read anything about that subject. And I hope that they will not use that to rate policies. I just don't see how that could be possible.
Why not? Why not?
Because what do they got to do with life insurance? I mean, when you think about life insurance, you're talking about death, Is it gonna, I don't know, the studies are saying that maybe COVID is gonna shorten our lifespan because of COVID. I don't know yet. So that's some actuary you gotta collect. They got to collect some data on that, Mike. I don't see any data to support it
yet. Okay. People think about it as, no, go ahead, Mike. You want to follow up?
I'm just saying, Mike, I'm sorry.
Because I guess the data is like, well, you know better than I do when it comes to the whole life insurance situation, and a lot of data, but like 99% of the cases right now are people who are dying are people who are unvaccinated, and 95% of the cases, I think last we checked, are people who are actually getting COVID are people who are unvaccinated. So if the death rate seems to be a little bit higher for those who are unvaccinated than vaccinated, it would be almost like if somebody chooses to smoke against a non-smoker, or a person who drinks against somebody who doesn't drink. Those rates go up for those people as opposed to people who, as they want to say, live a clean life. And that's why I was asking, it may not be the way it is right now, but can you see that possibly changing in the future when it comes to life insurance?
I don't know about that one, Mike. I mean, you're talking about some actuaries. As an agent, I'm in sales. My job is to speak to clients, educate clients about life insurance. So my number one priority is that I want you to purchase life insurance so you won't be a burden. We cannot, we have to stop in Black and Brown communities, GoFundMe account, fish fries doing raffle. We cannot collect enough money to cover burial expenses. You cannot get sloppy, I tell clients. You know that time is coming. We need to do something.
Yeah.
Can you spend $1, $2 a day?
Yeah. No, and I mean, I think you raised some good points. You're not going to live forever. This is inevitable for all of us, even if you're in great health. So you make a good point, Erwin, but we're out of time. But I do want to ask you this. Is it ever too late? We see the commercials and, you're past your prime, you can still get this. Is it ever too late to go ahead and secure some life insurance?
Costs. I have people in my office who are 70, and when you're talking about Sharon, when you're talking $200 or $300 a month for life insurance and you're in your 70s, you're on a
Yeah.
fixed income, you're
Yeah.
receiving Social Security
Yeah.
check, it's unaffordable. So yes, I would say you can purchase it, but you waited too late, and now it's all about the cost. And now we have a problem. Like say Houston, we have a problem. We have a problem if you don't
Yeah.
purchase life insurance at an early age.
All right,
So-
well, let's avoid that problem.
So I know we're out of
Go
town,
ahead, Mike.
Sharon. But so what's the option then? So if you're in your 70s and you know you want because you don't want to leave a burden for your family, and you're 70 years old, what are the options? Are there other options outside of life insurance? Should you be saving that money, maybe $150 instead of paying $200 a month to go towards the costs of your burial?
Right? You hit it. I say saving account where you cannot get access to that money and you need to put that money somewhere or give it to a relative. If you have a spending problem and you're not disciplined, then you need some help, but you need to start saving that money because your time is too late in my community. Unless you got big, deep pockets. I don't know, you may have deep pockets and you can pay the price. But in my case, that's a no. Account.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
A lot of people, it's a no.
Thank you for the information.
It's a no for a lot of people. Yeah, we appreciate you. Erwin McGowan, thanks so much for joining us. It's a conversation that we need to have, even if it's uncomfortable for folks. So thank you for making that point. Thanks for starting your day with us.